Right, so we've got a Golf here. Ladies bought it from the dealer, and it's got an odour in it. So when I first smelt it, it was a bit of a subtle smell. Smelt a little bit stale. And if you look round it, you can see that, I don't know how well you can see the fabric there. This upright part looks relatively clean, but if you look down, then you can see the change in colour. So it's clearly got some dirt in it, but it's only done 27,000 miles. So we're not expecting a huge amount of dirt, but we'll show the machine when we empty it. And it's possible that the dirt's holding the odour, as well as we're thinking somebody might have smoked in it. It's got dirt in it anyway, so we're going to give it a complete deep clean right throughout and get some of this grubby dirt off all of it, off of these things, off the handbrake, off the steering wheel and off the controls. Also, you can see there around that seatbelt bit there, it's pretty dirty. The headline is hanging down, so maybe somebody's had a go at cleaning it. Maybe that might be why that headline is hanging down. We don't know. Seatbelts feel a little bit grubby as well. I'm feeling that there, and you can feel greasy almost. But you know, that's what sometimes you get a used car, and it's probably had a quick glancery clean, maybe, but it's going to need a little bit more. So. And also, we've got the deodorisation machines. We're going to put those to work. Got some grounding dirt here, and these sort of things can give off odour. So, we'll get all those nice and clean, and the pedals are pretty dirty. And then if you look at the back here, it's got an old sticker that unfortunately hasn't been removed. They stink, I can tell you that. So that won't be giving off a very pleasant smell. I bet I can smell that. You haven't got a smell-o-vision, have you? No, I can't smell it at the moment, but when you take that off, I can tell you that it will really smell. Anyway, we'll give it a good birthday today, and we'll show you what the dirt's come out. You've got a bit of dirt in these side panels as well here, Okay. All right, we'll show you what dirt comes out of it. We'll clean our machine before we do it. All right. Just a quick thing we hadn't noticed, lifted up the boot here. We're on the wash bay at the moment. We do give them a quick wash on the outside. But looking in the boot here, the boot carpet is nice and clean. But you can see around the edges there that it isn't. And right up on that arm there's something dirty. I suspect that this has had some kind of box, possibly a cage for an animal or something like that. We're not 100% sure, but it's certainly clean looking there and dirty there. This could be a part of where the odour's coming from. You can also see there's a couple of dog hairs there. Can you see these? So maybe I'm right. So that might be part of the reason it's smelling stale. Maybe it's had a combination of smells. Maybe the smoke and a bit of dog there. Quick bit of footage here showing that we think it's tobacco. So it's tobacco, and then so what you've done is you've airlined it from under the seats. So we're seeing what would be a source of smell in amongst the bits of dirt that's come out of there. We're seeing bits of what looks like tobacco to me. Show me, James, on your side again, just to be clear. Oh yeah, that's a piece of tobacco. Yeah, there's a small piece of tobacco. I don't think you can see that. Can I focus on that? Where else? Oh, there. Oh, okay. Right. That would give off a smell. So that's, sometimes you can find the physical thing, and in this instance, that's part of it. Oh yeah, look, can you see that? More bits of tobacco in the front. There's a little bit there. So sometimes it's not so easy to identify what it actually is, but that does look like tobacco to me on my finger there as well. There's lots of bits of it. Some of this is dirt, of course, so it's difficult to decipher what's what, but definitely tobacco from our point of view. What we're seeing, as we see a lot of it, obviously, doing what we do. Right, okay, all done on that. Heated shampoo machine, that's been used to pull out the dirt out of the fabric, and pull out the dirt out of the fabric is exactly what it has done. So there's the bucket machine that goes on it, and there's the guzzy water stuff that's come out of it. And then this is a bucket that's been used to clean the surfaces. This is all the plastics and the uprights and the headlining, not the carpets obviously, because the carpet's been cleaned with the machine. So transformation, and we're part of the way through the deodorising process. So that's all going to be done, but the steering wheel's all nice and clean, all these stalks are clean, and the switches and the handbrake and all those bits that were dirty are clean now. So, you know, we're a big way through it all. So I'll show you what it looks like when we pour that out. Do you want to do it? And I'll... Right, there we go. I'll take that brush out of the way. And that's that one there with a grid in the bottom. And then that one's there. I want to see the bottom of that one. Yeah, look, the scud's coming out of there. Oh my God. And that was clean before you started, Tom.
Yeah, nice and clean beforehand.
Yeah, so we'll wash it out and then ready for the next car. Amazing.